What's going on, everybody? Exciting news today. We just closed on a 2-family investment property. I'm here with Chima. It's a long time coming. It's finally done. We have a whole bunch of stuff in store. Matter of fact, let's take them inside. Yeah, but before we go inside, let's talk a little about what we're going to do. We have like a lot of renovations that's going to take place. We're going to show you the before and after. We're going to walk y'all through the whole renovation process. Yeah. Not in this video, but just stay tuned. It's been a long process with COVID. You know, we started looking a little bit before COVID. COVID done made this a crazy process, but we're just glad to be done and closed. So let's take y'all inside, show y'all a little bit about the house. It's gonna be step by step. Yeah. And here we are. Upstairs in the unit. This is the upstairs unit. Yeah, the downstairs unit currently has a tenant in it, so we can't show y'all that yet. So that's gonna be another time, but not right now.
And the reason we have masks on, believe it or not, is not because of COVID. Right now, it's because it smells very weird in here.
Yes, we're gonna take care of that too. The smell has to be gone. Well, let's show y'all around.
As you'll see, this place needs a lot of work.
Show them the floors. The floors look a little dusty over here.
The floors we're replacing.
And then,
of course, this radiator is gonna need some work.
Yep.
Got to take off a lot of these things on the wall and repaint, obviously.
We have to repaint everything. Everything has to go.
Hey, what's up? Future Chima here. So we actually forgot to record one of the bedrooms down the hall from the entrance to the unit. So here it is. Here's the closet. The walls are okay, but they're gonna get repainted anyway. The floors are gonna get replaced. Windows needs a bit of touch up and probably replacement. Here's my car. I parked a little too far from the curb, but we're just gonna ignore that. Radiator covers we're gonna need. And and here are some weird cabinets that you'll see elsewhere in the unit. It has to go. Fun fact, the first time I actually saw this room, someone was actually in here getting a haircut. So imagine that. Imagine getting a haircut and then out of nowhere these guys come in with a camera. Good times. Well, just kidding. Well, we didn't actually record that day, but in all seriousness, guys, if you could smash the like button on this video, it really does help us a lot. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. We had to take a brief hiatus, but because of everything going on. But we're back now. There's plenty of content coming soon, so stay tuned.
Half that. It definitely needs work too. This is the living room, by the way. This is the living room. Kitchen with the fan that's on the floor. Yep. Take care of that.
Kitchen over here. Yeah, there's gonna be some changes here too. We're gonna describe that in a later video.
See, the thing about this kitchen is the actual countertop here is actually not bad at all, and it's granite, which is fantastic. Maybe it just needs a slight touch up on the cabinets here, but besides that, and get rid of this, because this is why is that too. It's just, as a matter of fact, yeah, all of these just have to go.
Oh my god. Actually, don't show them what's in the let's keep moving to the bedrooms.
If you subscribe, maybe we'll make a video on what's in the cabinet.
All right, so this is another bathroom over here. It's a full bathroom this time. Yeah, I mean that's about it. It's gonna get touched up a little bit. Let's take a look at this bedroom.
You can see the floors. Again, floors need a lot of work. The tiling that's coming apart here. You have to replace all of that. Yeah. Of course, we're gonna do some trim work here. The windows, especially, a lot of the windows here have to be replaced.
Yeah. And this is another bedroom over here. Definitely full work, radiator work. Repainting this whole room.
Decent sized room. Has a closet.
Finally, this is the last bedroom upstairs, and yeah, the biggest room here.
That's the biggest room here. Has a nice closet.
Yeah, it's barely functional. That's going to need to be changed too.
You will admit that the wall color is pretty strange, but don't worry, we're taking care of that as well.
Yeah, that's about it for this unit. Again, you can't see the downstairs unit yet. The tenant's in there right now. But stay tuned. We got a lot in storage. Going to speak a lot about type of investment this is and where you can take it.
So if you're interested in seeing more of the numerical breakdown in terms of the renovation costs, we're going to make videos about that. But if you have any specific questions, leave a comment down below.
Peace.